Afternoon, everyone. I'm Damani Lewis. Right now, there are people camped out across the state waiting to catch a glimpse of the North Carolina Air National Guard. They're flying over hospitals and food banks as a sign of support for everyone during this pandemic. Our meteorologist John Ahrens is in Chopper 9 right now. And John, the Air Guard is in Raleigh right now, but Charlotte not too far away.
Oh, it'll be here momentarily, about an hour, Damani, because this thing's going flying at about 250 miles an hour, and it's going across the state over a dozen different cities around in our area, and we were actually able to catch up with it when it was over the Salisbury, VA. It was an incredible experience. We were flying about 1,000 feet above, and then all of a sudden you see this massive plane coming across in the sky, flying over the Salisbury, VA, which, as we all know, has been hit hard by COVID-19. And the cool thing it did a hard bank. And you think of how hard that is. I mean, this is a 180,000-pound aircraft, and it did that for the folks up there. We also caught it as it was loading up supplies up in the Morganton area. And then it went from there over and through Hickory, Statesville, and then it's now on its way in through Raleigh before it comes and circles back here. It's an amazing experience, and they're doing it for two reasons. Number one, of course, to salute those that are in the front lines, our nurses, our hospitals, our doctors, and to show that as the United States, as a fellow North Carolinian, we are all in this together.
Hopefully it brings them a little bit of a sense of pride. Hopefully it brings them a sense of hope and reminds us all that, we're all Americans in this battle together. Hopefully it'll bring everyone back together a little bit and remind us all that we're all one team, one fight here.
And you just heard from Major Joseph King, who happens to be from Gastonia. Just an amazing day and just a wonderful tribute for those that are fighting this right on the front lines. And Damani will be here as that starts to make its approach to Charlotte.
All right, and the words were correct. One team, one against one enemy here. That is the pandemic. Thanks a lot, John. Well, again, that flyover is scheduled to be here in Charlotte between 1:20 and 1:25, and we'll break into programming here on Channel 9 to make sure you can catch it live. Well, the number of Americans out of work continues to grow. We learned today that 3.2 million Americans filed for unemployment last week. While that number is down compared to weeks before, it means in a 7-week period, more than 33 million people have filed a claim. The Labor Department's official jobs report for April will be released tomorrow. Economists believe that report will reveal unemployment at a shocking 16%, up from just 4.4% in March. And we've told you the coronavirus is taking a disproportionate physical toll on minorities, and it is also hitting them harder financially. The Associated Press just released a new poll. It shows Latino and African American families having a harder time paying their bills than white Americans. The majority of layoffs during the pandemic are concentrated among lower income workers and those without college degrees. Well, new numbers shows that North Carolina has officially had more than 500 people die from the virus. That's not just the number, those are lives, everyone. Take a look here. There are also 600 new cases yesterday, along with the 30 deaths. Now, keep in mind, this is out of 171,000 tests, so only 7% of total tests came back positive. A little more than 500 other people are still in the hospital. And Avery County is still the only county in North Carolina without a confirmed case. Still today, they started testing whoever lined up in Newland. Channel 9 State Faraday spoke with healthcare workers about the need for testing.
Well, if you look behind me, you can see where that testing is taking place right out in front of the health department. Some folks actually started arriving an hour and a half before the testing actually began. Take a look at some of this video that was shot earlier. The long line of cars stretched all the way around the sheriff's office and the courthouse here in Newland. The health department says right now they don't have any confirmed cases in Avery County, but they wanted to ramp up testing here. To date, they've only done a little over 100 tests in Avery County, but today alone they could do over 200 tests here. You can see how they set up the drive-through testing in one of the parking lots. The majority of folks told me they don't have any symptoms, but they are curious to know if they have the virus. The health department says there is not a criteria for the testing here.
Curious about, have I been contact with it, or do I have it, or what have you.
I feel like everybody should get tested just for confirmation that they're negative at this point.
And the health director told me that the testing here is covered by insurance. Those who don't have insurance won't have to pay. They're expecting to have the results here in 2 to 3 days. Back to you.
Dave, thanks a lot. Well, in South Carolina, officials are rolling out a new testing plan, and a big part of it includes expanded testing at nursing homes. 851 people at long-term care facilities have gotten sick, and 84 have died. State health officials say they're getting enough swabs and testing supplies to test 110,000 people a month. They're going to focus on testing nursing home residents and staff, expanding testing in underserved minority and rural communities, mass testing in cities, and finding more testing sites.
We do not believe that we are going to run out of testing materials. We also don't think that we're going to run out of personal protective equipment.
Well, the state is planning mobile testing sites and pop-up testing in cities. State health leaders say they haven't been able to reach the testing capacity yet because of a lack of chemicals for those tests.